East Legon Hills, one of the fastest growing communities in Accra, Ghana. It serves as the East Legon District's administrative hub and is a semi-rural Accra neighborhood. East Legon Hills was created in 1978 by the administration of Ananabilong Blaise. It is renowned for its picturesque surroundings, verdant hills, and serene ambience, as well as for the hills and valleys that offer breathtaking views of the city below. Several shopping malls, eateries, and other amenities can be found in the region, along with some of Ghana's top schools. East Legon Hills has grown to be one of the most sought-after places to live as a result of its close proximity to the center of Accra and simple access to nearby transit hubs. One of the most intriguing things about East Legon Hills is that it is surrounded by hills, which are currently a well-liked location for excursions and walks, and are believed to be the product of an ancient volcanic explosion. The average price of houses for sale in East Legon Hills is $150,000. The most expensive house costs $400,000, while the cheapest costs $84,000. Check out the information in the description if you have any other questions. Enjoy the rest of the video. If you enjoyed the content of this video, consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like and share this video. Thank you for watching.